Hello everybody, and welcome back. I am all red. That's weird. Today we are doing a Penningtons in the fitting room. It is like almost 5 p.m. on a Friday night, and I am going to pop into my Penningtons, which I'm in Kingston, so I'm the one over in the mall, or across from the mall, I guess. If I had gone to Belleville, the store is like a quarter of the size. Yeah. Also, got my hair cut today. Got like 3 inches chopped off, so it's much shorter now. And the sun is starting to set behind me, so great lighting. Yeah, so let's just get in there, try some stuff on. This is my outfit. So, got Pennington's jeans on from a while ago. Some Adidas sneakers. And a Torrid shirt and jacket. So yeah, this is what I'm working with today. I have all of this to try on, so let's get started. So excuse the shadows, there's a light like directly above my head. This is the first top I'm trying on. It has a side slit over here. This is from L, weirdly enough. 2 separate stores, sold in the same place. I like the color in person. On camera it looks much more washed out. I do not like the cuffs. They're tight and they kind of like gather, I guess. I don't know, like they weren't sewn properly, or like the cuff wasn't made big enough. I'm not sure. It's a very interesting fabric too. It's not quite neoprene, but it's close, and so you can see it has a very boxy fit. Probably why I fit in a 4X, because that's what size this is. I found very little 5Xs in store, but I grabbed what I could. So yeah, I kind of like this. I don't think I will buy it just because I don't like the cuffs. But yeah, it's actually not terrible, so good start. Next up is this crazy ass sweater, also from L. I love the neckline. It's not too tight.
Are you progressing?
Oh,
What are you doing?
no, look at this sweater.
Okay. I like it.
It's crazy, right?
It's crazy. It's very bold.
Yes.
It makes a statement.
It's a 4X though.
Ah.
And I normally wear a 5 or 6, so like, if it's meant to be boxy, I understand.
No, it looks cute on you.
But I like it.
I like the color. Your hair color looks nice.
Thanks. I just got it like toned today, so.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very pretty.
It's crazy.
And it's not itchy?
No,
Soft?
it's so soft.
Good. Do you need anything else?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay. So, back to the crazy ass sweater. Just so many patterns, and I love it. Although, definitely like boobs could be up higher with the lines. Definitely makes them look a little saggier. That's fine. The shoulders sit where they're supposed to, at least like when you wear things that fit. I really like this. Wish I had more money in my bank account at this moment in time so I could buy it. It's very warm and cozy. I don't know what else to tell you. Oh, it has a side slit here, which is probably helping to accommodate it and me. But yeah, L 4X. Who'd have thunk it, right? I regret to inform you that I love this sweater and I think I need it. It's really soft. I have no idea what it's made out of. It has a wider like boat neck there. Bat wing sleeves. I'm wearing a 4X. It's L, which usually fits pretty small. It is quite cropped, so like this is about as long as you can get it. I really like how it sits right here like this. I love this a lot. I could wear this all winter very happily. I like that the rib is going this way, so it means it won't get stretched out. I want it. I want it. Alright, so next top, also a Chanel brand. It's just like a crossover, like faux wrap. It is attached over here, and it's pulling a little bit. This is a 4X, and it's quite booby. There's no like built-in snap or anything. Oops, there's no built-in snap. It's a little tight on the arms, but I mean it is a 4X. This is how, like, this is a fitted 4X. This is how I would expect a 4X to fit, so yeah. This is a no for me, but I do really like the style, so I don't really like it on me, you know? Alright, this is our first, like, complete fail. So, like, my arm fat does not fit in the sleeve. It's really tight on the neck. This is a 4X. I know it's meant to be really fitted. This is just not gonna work. If it came in a 5X, I'm not sure I would buy it just because I don't like things so tight to my neck, but I do think it would fit better. I'm gonna go change though, because this feels awful. Okay, so I feel very snug in this. It's definitely very light knit, so it will show every lump and bump. Like, you can see where my zipper line is. It's a dress, obviously I shouldn't be wearing jeans underneath, but like, pretty sure it's see-through. It has this awesome like cowl collar. Oops, this awesome cowl collar that you can pull tighter. Sleeves are sort of like bat-wingy a little. It's very comfortable. This is a 5X, and it's like from the Penningtons own brand, so very comfy. Just shows everything. All right, I love this. I would love it more if it wasn't a 5X, just because then it would like come closer to actually closing. This is sort of like a knitted, I don't know, coat again maybe. It's kind of a little too light to be a coat though, I guess, at least for Canada. I love the fabric, or the knitting texture. It's very warm and cozy, has pockets, and you all know I don't do pants without pockets, so when a cardigan also has pockets, we're good. It's nice and long, covers my butt. Yeah, I like this. Not sure I would wear it just because I don't really have anything this color or super neutral like this, but I really like it. Also, still would want it in a bigger size. Yeah. Oh, and also sleeves. The sleeves are long enough. That never happens. Okay, so that's everything I'm going to try on. There were a couple other like pairs of pants, but they didn't fit really. And I'm not showing you my naked butt on the internet, so I've done that enough, thanks. Ow, just poked myself in the eye. I'm very hot and sweaty now. I'm gonna show you what I would buy if I was buying anything. I'm not sure if I will buy either of these, considering I only have $40 in my bank account, but I will show you nonetheless, and I may get them at a later date. So, you guys probably guessed by my reaction, that is the gray batwing sweater, and that is the crazy print one. So the batwing one is $39.99, and the crazy print is $69.99, so not quite in my budget right at the moment, but we will see. The gray one for sure I will need to get at some point in time this fall winter, but yeah, I really want them. Penningtons, sponsor a video of mine. I know you follow me on Instagram. You know what's up. This wasn't as terrible as I thought it was gonna be. Thanks. Okay, so I'm gonna end this right here in the fitting room because they actually know I'm filming a video in here. Well, at least the staff do. Alright, that's everything I have for you guys today. I will try to link everything. I forgot the last time. Pretty much everything I tried on is brand new, so...
You still doing okay?
Yes. Yeah, so I will link everything if I can. And I'll keep you updated if I get either of those sweaters. Thanks for watching. Bye!